I was sent a picture of a Puerto Rican themed Air Force One. The person asked me if I could do that sneaker for them. I didn't want to do the sneaker for them. The reason being is I'm Puerto Rican and I'm an artist, which means there comes a lot of pride. And as an artist, nothing's ever good enough, right? I'm going to critique myself way harder than anybody else would, which means that a pair of sneakers like this is going to come with a lot of stress and a lot of expectations. And in fairness, it's only stress and expectations that I put on myself. Nothing's ever good enough. I can really like something I did. At times I'll love it, but then I'll still see little things that I could have done better, and it'll drive me crazy. Clearly, you're watching this video because I decided to do it. So let's cut the talk. Let's get to it. I know this might not have all the details like I did in the Game of Thrones pair of sneakers, the Thanos pair of sneakers, Reptile pair of sneakers, Statue. I know, but this wasn't easy either. It's a lot of different things going on here, and in terms of the flag, I redid it multiple times because I just wasn't happy with it. It just, as an artist and as a Puerto Rican, I just feel like somehow I should have done better. I would love to hear what you have to say about it. Get in the comment section, let me know. And again, it's free to share this video, it's free to like it, and it's free to subscribe, ultimately. I appreciate you guys, and within about a week's time of this, I'll be dropping another project that I've been working on. Been taking me some time on that too, but it's just about done, and by the time next week roll around, you guys will be ready to see what that's about. So thank you again, and let's get to these final shots.